Let's talk about 5 things you can add to your smart home to make it more secure. Experts will tell you things like good deadbolts are really important. Outdoor lighting is going to be an essential key to security. Being able to see through your door to see who's there, and maybe even something like a guard dog. So if you're like a thief, there are videos on YouTube for you. This is not one of those.
Let's talk about cameras first.
Cameras are number one, and over half of American households now have some form of security camera installed. And that increases the younger you may be, and it decreases the older that you are. So we could probably analyze those trends, but these give you an idea of what's going on around your property, outside or even inside. It tells you who's coming or who has been there. And so I think they're really helpful. If you're okay with the camera inside, I think it's a good idea, just so you can check on things, so you can know what's happening. If you are away, you can bring that up on your smartphone and see your living room and see what's going on. If an alarm goes off, you need to know and be able to say, and if you have to call the police, you need to be able to tell them, hey, there's somebody in my house, so I've got them here on camera. So cameras, number one. Window and door sensors, these are really the key. They have been for a long time to any home security system. But now smart systems, you can install your own window and door sensors. You can do them as part of a system like Ring or Simply Safe. But you can also get these as part of other systems, which are smaller. You can select a door or two, or you can do them all. And these let you know when something's open or closed, when it gets opened. They're also great if you want to keep up with things that are going on, even like kids in your own home, and especially smaller children. You don't want going outside without knowing it. So these can be a great part of your security system as a whole. Motion sensors are the third smart home security device. And these are another layer of protection. They tell you if something is moving in your house. You can set them so that they don't pick up your pets if your pets are loose while you're away. But they will definitely tell you if a person has entered. You can set them up strategically to monitor a hallway or other entry area. And along with window and door sensors, they really give you a double layer of protection that tells you if something's happening that shouldn't be. Number four is lights, and people have been leaving lights on for security for a long time. There have also been timers for lights. So how does smart lighting evolve from those old forms? And I would say it's the ability to change things up, the ability to connect lights to other devices. When a door is open, that lights come on, to set different time and schedule things if you're away to make the house look like it is occupied. Lights are also important outside. You can have motion lights, you can have cameras now that turn on a floodlight. And just to light up your area, if you're leaving the house after dark or coming home after dark, if you're leaving the house before dark, and you want to see what's around your vehicle or what else is outside, then lights outside are a good idea. And smart lights help to conserve energy and as they go on and off, and to give you a better vision of what's around your house. Smart locks are the fifth thing that we're talking about today. And these have evolved from the touch pad locks that we've had for a while, or the fingerprint locks. And now they can also be connected to your phone. So you can open the door from your phone. You can get a notification on your phone when the door is unlocked or when it is locked, who has entered the house. And combined with these other things, combined with a camera and other sensors, you can really have control of the entry and exiting of your house. As far as locks go, I think it's important to get a good quality lock. When you put a deadbolt on your house, you want that deadbolt to be strong. I think the same has to be true with today's smart locks. If you're installing one, get a good one so that it can't be easily broken or broken into. In the end, few things are more important than feeling safe and secure in your own home. And I hope this video has been helpful to that end. And if you want to subscribe or like it, go ahead. So thanks for watching.